Welcome back. If you enjoy my content, please take a second to like and subscribe. Your support means everything. XAUUSDH4 analysis. Gold update. Gold has reacted exactly from the demand zone, where buyers stepped in after a strong 1,435 plus pip bearish move. The recent bounce shows that the demand area is still holding, but the overall trend remains at a critical decision point. Bullish scenario. If price continues to hold above the 4,020 demand zone and breaks above 4,060, buyers could target the 4,170 to 4,220 resistance zone. This area remains the major upside target if bullish momentum strengthens. Bearish scenario. If gold fails to maintain support around 4,020 and breaks below 3,958, sellers could regain control and push the market toward fresh lows. A breakdown below demand would invalidate the current recovery. Key level support: 4,020 to 3,958 demand zone. Bullish target: 4,170 to 4,220. Break below 3,958. Opens the door for another bearish leg. Previous sell trade: 1,435 plus pip secured potential. Next buy opportunity: 1,105 plus pips if buyers confirm a breakout. Wait for confirmation before entering. Let price decide the direction at these key levels rather than chasing the market.